Sophisticated yet simple, this 30-inch wall mount range hood has a clean and sleek stainless steel finish. The range hood has the classic triangular shape with a small ridge around the perimeter, providing a distinctive characteristic. On the bottom is where you will find all the functions and features that make this range hood, like the knob control panel, halogen lights, and baffle filters. Having the knob control panel on the bottom of the range hood allows the front to be flawless and pristine. The two halogen lights are controlled by turning the right knob clockwise. The left knob controls the fan of up to 4 speeds with a powerful suction of 400 CFM. The 35-watt halogen light provides bright illumination for cooking in dark conditions. The baffle filters trap oils and other cooking pollutants for a better cooking experience. A carbon filter kit is made available for homes that have ductless recirculating installations. Simply remove the baffle filters and install the carbon filter. AKDY. Let your kitchen do more.